हाँ जी एंड वेलकम बैक टू द हडल। लास्ट एपिसोड में कोई लिवरपूल फैन नहीं था और इस एपिसोड में दोनों लिवरपूल फैन हैं हमारे साथ, वलीद मसूद खान और ज़करिया आगास।
वेलकम टू द लिवरपूल शो।
तो बॉयज, सबसे पहले लिवरपूल चेल्सी से ही शुरू करते हैं क्योंकि इट वाज द बिगेस्ट मैच ऑन द वीकेंड, नॉट द अदर वन। तो क्या हुआ वलीद? पहले मैच की बात करते हैं ना, उसके बाद फिर लिवरपूल के ट्रांसफर पे आते हैं। मैं देख रहा हूँ
मैं तो बड़े
आर्सेनल पे तो आएंगे हम, लिवरपूल पे तुम काफी रैंट्स कर रहे हो ट्विटर पे, मैं देख रहा हूँ
यार। बस नो अबाउट द मैच नाउ यार,
दोनों यार
इस तरह के I think that the match was like it was an opportunity lost because of the 10 men thing, but at the same time you can also look at it did favor Chelsea a lot more because they just sat back. It was just and the thing is the spaces नहीं मिल रहे थे। लिवरपूल का biggest weakness है, in fact any team का, City are just good at breaking teams down, but any other team has trouble breaking full block park the bus down, like वो नहीं होता वो scene
नहीं होता।
तो बस वो, and especially with Chelsea type defense solid system,
And Chelsea are the best at doing, I mean probably the best in Europe at doing that, na?
And Klopp,
like Klopp said, in a defensive sense, the lost man didn't matter as much, because they still had like nine men behind the ball, right? तो उनको इतना फर्क नहीं, in a way
उन्हें इस चीज का फर्क पड़ा कि अगर 11 होते तो the game would have been more open. उनके पास भी चांस होता है,
उनके पास भी चांस होता है, and which I think maybe would have favored Liverpool a bit more when there's more room. Counter पे भी आप भी counter press वगैरह कर सकते हैं। उसमें counter press का फायदा है क्या है? Everyone's behind the ball, तो इतना एक लुकाकू को आगे मारते थे कि वो headed down करके।
But I'm not going to blame this all on the park. There was, I think Liverpool के थोड़े players थे who didn't play up to the standards. Henderson was really bad. An 18-year-old was our best midfielder. Thiago should have been brought on around 55 minutes पे मैं खुद चीख रहा था यार।
I think with
literally मैं screen पे चीख रहा था।
Thiago and Henderson it's still a match fitness thing. That's why they both.
No, that's not the point. The point is Henderson का वो नहीं चल रहा था, like उसकी game नहीं
उसकी game इस तरह की नहीं। When you have to break the opposition down, Henderson is not the guy for that.
Not the guy at all. And bro, he missed that chance early on, which should have been 1-0. वो Trent की ball थी, bro. Anyone scores that. Any midfielder who can actually just hit a ball scores that.
It wasn't that simple.
It was easy, bro. It was literally ball
on his
play
left
side
foot.
थी यार।
मतलब काफी
There
करीब
was an easy chance, bro. Give that to any of Chelsea's midfielders. They're scoring it. That's the difference.
except probably Jorginho.
Probably Jorginho. I'm so glad Bobby what did Bakar say, by the way? You guys watched the match together.
बकर तो बहुत प्रेज कर रहा था Jorginho
को। Bro,
I'll be honest, मैंने उसकी second half में ना सारी mistakes की नहीं थी, and he did 6 mistakes. First half में 20 minutes.
Bro, I was looking at him, the way he was getting pressed and just thrown on the floor at every pass he was giving to a Liverpool player with 11 men. मैं हैरान हूँ, and that's the thing, it's false praise.
I don't know, I don't get it. A lot of Chelsea fans who I've spoken to said that, and even a couple that I watched the game with, said that Chelsea was a better team in the first half. I didn't think that at all. No way. Like they were penned in, and they scored a
goal, an amazing goal.
Yeah,
but it was out of nothing. It was out of nothing.
Exactly.
It was
कोई clear cut chances मुझे भी नहीं आया।
None. And bro, no, I shared this graph on Twitter. they Premier League are starting this
मैंने देखा था
कि they showing the attacks कितना momentum था। Chelsea का इस तरह एक दो line है first half में, everything's like Liverpool way. So it's not इस तरह, that's just backing our statement कि we're not just saying stats only, like if you watch the match then you know कि
so in that sense I don't think it was though probably not a horrible result. Okay, fine, you didn't get 3 points in Anfield, and you expect Liverpool expects to get 3 points from everyone at Anfield, right? Especially against 10 men. But in the sense that you're facing the European champions, they're probably one of the best defensive teams in the world, and all of them are sitting back behind the ball, not 9 men behind the ball, or a goalkeeper. So not the worst result.
The worst result in my opinion is कि Liverpool कोई signing नहीं कर रहा.
And bro, by the way, Mane as well, like Henderson की बात की, I want to highlight Mane and Robertson के. I think Klopp should have gone with the full momentum wise. Or Firmino as well. Jota should have started, and Tsimikas should have started as a left back. Even though it was risky, but the thing is कि momentum के साथ जाते. And as soon as Firmino went off, you saw Jota's injection, like the chance created वो penalty वाला, वो Jota की वजह से like बार-बार हम attack कर रहे थे.
This was part of it ना कि अगर तुम उस तरीके से देख रहे हो, Robertson, though I understand in games like this you want experience. I think a similar thing with Firmino. But to break down low block teams, Firmino is very important. Making space in a compact sort of area, space banana na. So मेरे ख्याल से even in this sense, he was starting with Firmino, and the idea was to bring Jota on if we need him at 60-65 minutes. But Firmino gets injured.
But my thinking is
gets
that
injured and goes off in the 41st minute is really changes.
वो तो ठीक है, लेकिन
you don't have a lot of options after that.
I'm saying Jota को trust करो to be a first teamer with Salah Mane. I don't want to see Firmino coming in for these type of games. अभी City के साथ हो, I want Jota, Mane, Firmino for Salah starting. I don't want इस तरह की like switching करो.
और backup कोई नहीं है bro.
And that's the biggest issue.
Yeah, so
bro, 85th minute पे when you need a goal. And we have what substitution did Klopp make, which literally defines our season के इस तरह होगा. Tsimikas for Robertson. He doesn't trust Origi or Minamino, bro. Like ठीक है, मैं तो praise कर रहा था, वो मेरा एक hype है ना. वो नहीं होता कि खुश होता है pre-season पे, कह रहा है कि wow we can do this, but it's false. Like if you look at it over a long season, नहीं होता.
Origi is not a good backup option, not for if you want to win the title. एक जीत गया.
And even maybe a few years ago you could have said he was, but
मतलब वही मैं कह रहा हूँ ना, 2 साल पहले ठीक था. अब जो लोगों ने साइनिंग्स की हैं, टीमों ने साइनिंग्स की हैं, स्क्वाड्स देखो.
बाकी टीमों की जो बैकअप ऑप्शंस हैं, तो yours are not nearly as strong. This is the contention, right? We have backup options, but compared to everybody else, they're just not as good.
First 11 is as good as anyone. The squad as a whole, फिर आगे 2-3 टीम.
I think हमारी squad depth जो है वो कम सिर्फ 1-2 positions पे. एक है कि right back पे there's no cover.
But you talk as it's just that, bro. Imagine Jota last season doesn't join. It's just a one-person player. So that's how much of an impact that one player makes.
That's what I'm saying,
like these players are massive. Imagine if that's what I'm saying. If we get one forward, na Chelsea's missing piece kya tha? One player. Lukaku comes in, they're just levels now with City. City ka missing piece kya hai? Even though they reached the Champions League final and won the league, but they're still missing a piece without, and that's a striker. If you put a striker in, everyone's saying City unstoppable. Even though abhi bhi unstoppable, but you reach that extra level. Liverpool, literally, it's like we're good enough because of Klopp, but we just need that injection of one midfielder because we lost Wijnaldum and one forward, and not to Kuyemi sa Origi type, like proper forward, bro. Like
one interesting opinion that I have read though is that this team right now, this squad is better than the one that won the title. Better than the one that won the Champions League and came 1 point away from winning the title.
लेकिन बाकियों को improvement देखो ना.
हाँ, the improvement of
that,
the other
that
teams
is the difference ना.
लेकिन वो अब वही जो मैंने उस show में भी बोला था, I think couple weeks ago हमारी बात हुई थी कि is this City team stronger than the one that made the points record? I don't know.
Bro, it is.
Yes, squad depth में हाँ, it is.
It is. It's the
बहुत ज़्यादा option. हर position पे एक option.
And bro, you have this main
even with Mendy going out. I shouldn't laugh on that, लेकिन they still have options.
And the same thing वो Pep, like तू Klopp का हम कह रहे हैं ना कि the only thing that's keeping the Liverpool side was Klopp, तो वही भी Pep Guardiola को, you can't just dismiss him, bro. Like literally with no striker, with a, like you say, weak City team comparatively, he still reached the Champions League final and won the league comfortably. So मतलब you have to give him that, bro. तुक्का तो नहीं है. So just give him a striker and you see.
When you compare yourself with the competition on paper, then you look like that you don't quite have it. But अब यही है कि with people like Klopp, we are used to seeing him get so much out of players like Harvey Elliott and Curtis Jones that at the end of the day you never know. That's the thing. Even when we got that far, then we had players like Andy Robertson and like Trent just starting out his career, and you couldn't believe the types of performances that these guys have been giving week in week out all the way to
मसला बताओ अब क्या है.
So if a person like अगर आपके these guys start to get on form, like Harvey Elliott is still 18, but if he can get good
bro, that's
out
the
of
thing
him,
ना तू देख
Curtis Jones, वो big if है ना, बाकी दूसरे
no, I'm not saying,
depth
bro,
में.
you could afford it because we're starting out. अब ये is Arsenal can do this, bro. Arsenal can get it. No, I'm genuinely saying, like I look at Arsenal squad, अब मेरा मसला Arsenal का ये है कि ठीक है, it's not where they have to be, but there's steps to take ना. Liverpool had to take that step where you're like, we get someone like Salah, Mane who have that potential, that X factor, देखते हैं अब क्या होता है. And now they're world class players. पहले तो हम लेते हैं, we said these guys are world class players, people would laugh at us. Literally Mkhitaryan और Mane का comparison वो कर रहे थे उस वक्त कि we got Mkhitaryan for less and look at you guys getting Mane overrated. और अब तो बिल्कुल है रह ही कुछ नहीं है. So my point is कि these Elliott type players, like you get them, but you also have to get a commanding force and show your way, because you have to challenge a title, bro. उस वक्त
I
expectations भी कम थे.
I'm with you. I'm with you
Expectations
that,
भी कम थे.
that compared to everybody else, we need a forward, we need a replacement right back, or sorry, a second choice right back. ये दो चीजें बहुत important
बहुत
हैं
ज़्यादा.
to fight at the level that City, and you expect Chelsea with this season. United, okay, probably them as well.
United की
will
बात
come to
करते
them.
हैं इसके
United
बाद.
कर देते
But
हैं.
lastly, I think it's people are too quick to write Liverpool off, especially given
No,
how
no
they
one-
did.
I don't think no one is
the
writing
2
them
seasons
off.
before,
Bro,
and
they're
even
still
even
favorites.
last season before the crisis, they
Yeah.
were top of the table.
Bro, no
So-
one's writing them
No,
off.
no, we aren't. But most people,
No, no,
I don't think so.
Most
Bro,
pundits
literally.
that you'll see will say
Yeah.
third, fourth, third.
That's what I'm
fourth,
saying.
will get third, fourth.
Bro,
It's-
their
It depends on the
prediction-wise.
squad ना यार. उस
Yeah.
उस हिसाब से देखो. No one's denying the first 11 quality, लेकिन it's 38 games in a season.
Do you think
और-
they'll challenge for the title?
That's
For
everyone's
sure,
saying they are.
अगर
Everyone's saying they are.
अगर कोई major injury नहीं होती, ट्रेंट अगर injured हो गया,
Main creator
हाँ,
गया.
यार, वो तो
Bro,
मसला
this is
है,
the problem now
Trent
because our
है.
system is so reliant on Trent.
फर्मिनो अभी इंजर्ड हो गया, सोच जोटा भी हो जाए, फिर क्या करोगे?
खत्म.
सलाह माने में से एक हो गया, यहाँ में मसला आता है. बाकी यूनाइटेड, चेल्सी, अब यूनाइटेड, चेल्सी और सिटी तीनों के पास हैं ऑप्शंस. लिवरपूल डोंट हैव दैट.
Yeah.
And one more thing that's worrying, he says Mane very easily, but everyone on Liverpool Twitter and stuff now, they're actually worried about Mane. Like, because last year's form and continuation 3 games in, not been the same.
हाँ, he's not been
So
the
this
same.
is,
लेकिन
this is, they're saying it's a Sanchez type decline happening there, which is like this season is a judgment season basically. Last season तो फिर भी हम छोड़ रहे हैं Mane को, but देख ले, if you have a declining player plus no depth, what are you doing? That's even a worry there. इसलिए वो कह रहे कि at least one forward in is a
I think
must.
he'll come good. I think give it.
I hope so
I
too.
think
Maybe
again,
get on.
this season the
How
alarm,
many hours to go?
The alarm bells
Just
are
a few
ringing.
hours to go,
I think
bro.
the alarm bells are ringing pretty
12 hours.
soon. 12 hours till what?
transfer window ends.
Oh yeah, no. I'm saying I think again the alarm bells are ringing a little soon for everyone this season. I think in a few weeks we'll find out.
It has been a crazy window. ये
Yeah.
तो for sure है. इससे crazy window पूरी मैंने अपनी life में नहीं देखी. और that was Ronaldo transferring to United. उसकी वजह से ना एक level ही
I
और
still
है.
don't think like ठीक है, like United are going to improve ना. Should we talk about Ronaldo?
हाँ, अगर रोनाल्डो ना लेते तो उन्हें जरूरत नहीं थी, मैं ये कह रहा हूँ.
Bro,
ऐसा.
you know what I think? Like, I
I'll
was
be
telling, I
honest.
was telling Tariq this the other day ना, कि I feel like this City Ronaldo transfer जो था ना, to me like you were talking with Bakr and Usman was in the group as well. They were going like कि Fabrizio, he hasn't said कि City ने कोई approach नहीं किया. They just inquired about him. Like a lot of people have just done this, you know, like just say कि अच्छा would we select him. I feel like Mendes, because Ronaldo has been available for 2 weeks now, bro, and everyone was making memes के Ronaldo की तस्वीर लगाते who want me or no वाली बात है. Because firstly, like he's 36 years old, and not saying he's not going to score goals, he's going to score goals, but how does he impact the team? That's what teams look at. PSG के लिए they didn't see it right fit, तो president आके खुला बोल दिया कि no, we don't want Ronaldo, हम नहीं ले रहे. वो बंदा क्या कहते हैं मैड्रिड का कार्लो एंचेलोटी, कार्लो एंचेलोटी tweeted and said Ronaldo legend ये वो, but no thanks, we're not interested, because उनका future एम्बापे पे तो नजर आ रहा था कि we want, you know, invest the club wise एम्बापे. रह कौन गया फिर इसमें? who can afford him? Bayern Munich, they have Lewandowski already, वो नहीं करेंगे. City and United were the only one financially capable of doing it. That's the sad truth. Like as much as we want a fairy tale के Liverpool सब आ रहे, नहीं होता ये. City United में United weren't in for him for weeks. They weren't in for him, and end तक नहीं आ रहे थे. And as soon as City couldn't get Kane, because so they were like ठीक है, like let's try maybe a Ronaldo का, like what's the scene there? I feel like his Mendes का agent इस situation में he leaked this to the, क्योंकि it went like spread like wildfire.
1-2 hours में bro.
As soon as he leaked it, bro, and Fabrizio denied कि there are no talks, but they're just saying कि like yo, और बस उधर फिर pressure आ गई United पे, all the fans and all the board, and they decided. I think it was a very forced move by United to make this happen, and I think ये Mendes ने बहुत heavy game खेली.
ये फायदे होते हैं ना एजेंट के. मैंने पढ़ा हुआ कि जो हैरी केन है फॉर एग्जांपल, राइट, उसका एजेंट उसका भाई है, which is why he's in this predicament.
ये भाई और बाप जो होते हैं ना एजेंट्स,
like
यहाँ पे बहुत
Jack
बड़े.
Grealish, for example, had a commitment with Aston Villa, and he had it written down in his contract that I will be able to leave if an offer for this much comes out, right? I want to stay at Villa, लेकिन अगर इतनी offer है then it's my choice. Kane had the same thing as a gentleman's agreement.
अच्छा, not in
right?
the
not in the contract.
And why? Because his brother negotiated the contract and he's like sign कर लिया, and Kane's like ठीक है मेरा भाई, मैंने sign कर लिया. वो जब बात आई जाने की तो इज लाइक लेवी को कहते मैंने जाना है and he's like
हाँ, लेवी तो नहीं
कोई
छोड़ेगा
कोई
इस तरह।
agreement
वो-
agreement
लेवी
नहीं है,
just
मैं नहीं जाना
लेवी का तो कोई
Just like हमारे owners अभी
exactly
की तरह
so
money
so this is the everyone's always giving these super agents stick and stuff but like with Harry Kane
They do
dude,
your thing.
like this is why you get an agent you know this is why
No,
you
and
should
they get
have
you the
one.
best deal, bro. As much as you
Exactly,
like,
exactly.
you all hate Minardi and all Tariq hates him. Like, like I'm telling you, if I was a footballer, anyone,
You'd want
Haan,
Minardi, like-
I
You'd
want
want
him as my
him, you'd
agent,
want
bro. I
him,
want to get
honestly.
paid and I want to get the best move.
Yeah, and इस पे
Get me that.
मैंने ये भी पढ़ा है कि like clubs when negotiating with the agent will think yeah this guy represents all these guys all these top players so we better have a good relationship with this guy
Exactly.
so the next time when we want a
हाँ,
good
ये-
player
यही
then this
होता
guy
है।
comes to us
अच्छा रोनाल्डो
तो
की
ये बस I was just saying कि like रोनाल्डो का ये सीन मुझे काफी डॉजी लग रहा है कि बहुत फोर्सफुल मूव था when United didn't need him.
अच्छा मैं वही मैं कह रहा हूँ रोनाल्डो ने एक ट्वीट भी किया था जब वो PSG से लिंक था कि आई एम स्टेइंग एट यूवे क्लियरली नहीं बोला था उसने लेकिन स्टॉप स्प्रेडिंग फेक
नहीं नहीं so
न्यूज़
he didn't say I'm staying
No,
at
no,
UAE he
हाँ,
just said
वही
stop
मैं कह रहा हूँ।
spreading he said everything but I'm staying at UAE
एग्जैक्टली के स्टॉप स्प्रेडिंग फेक न्यूज़ और ये वगैरह सब
Yeah,
कुछ
yeah.
लगा हुआ था
You know what
उसमें।
I think he was it's a vote. मैंने पे तारिक को भी था कि याद है ग्रुप
हाँ,
में
वो-
शेयर करना bro I think he was referring to the Madrid rumors
Yeah,
and
yeah,
that too
exactly.
because Carlo Ancelotti came and tweeted ना तो उसकी you know
बेइज्जती
Ronaldo's-
type होगी।
हाँ तो रोनाल्डो था ना तो and Ronaldo's wife even recently वो गर्लफ्रेंड जो भी है उसकी जॉर्जिना she said कि United के move पे she commented on it and says like I hope Carlo Ancelotti doesn't tweet about this so you know there's an ego and ये plans up bro this is all a game I'm telling you like I think City बेचारे were so used so badly here ना by ये
बेचारे तो मेरे उन्हें नहीं कहूँगा लेकिन ये है
bro बेचारे हैं
बेचारे नहीं हैं।
they got
बेचारे
rubbed in the
नहीं
mud
हैं,
bro
वो।
they got
वो बेचारे कहीं से नहीं
like they just orchestrated this whole move just to push it but
Cavani's probably sitting there being like fuck me
हाँ, वो
ये
तो-
क्या हो गया
अभी पता नहीं उससे नंबर 7 शर्ट तो
no
नहीं
they
ले
did it ना
दे दिया,
दे
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 दिया
दिया
उसने।
दे दी?
दे
and
दी।
इतने चालाक है
दे
there are
दे
these
दी
rules
उसने
यार
no there are these rules you can't switch it like that they had to sell Dan James to vacate the 21 and then once the 21 is gone so then they can change Cavani's shirt to 21 and then Ronaldo can have the 7
so did they sell Dan James
they sold
हाँ,
him Leeds
Leeds.
yeah it's a done
Dan
deal
James is gone
हाँ, हाँ।
गॉन ब्रो पूरे 3 मैचेस खिला के
Oh,
भेज दिए
shit, अच्छा तो मेरी फैंटेसी को
It's
पढ़ता
very
है क्योंकि मैं
forceful.
सोचा था रैशफोर्ड की आगे जगह का क्या
नहीं,
होगा
नहीं।
डैन जेम्स ले लो
Yeah. नहीं डैन जेम्स तो गया ना
But
तो
you guys
इसका
think
मतलब
क्या
है
is
लीड्स
gonna-
गया ना
तो probably Rashford, Sancho and Ronaldo when
वो तो
everyone's fit
the हाँ
and
इस तरह
Greenwood
ही
on the
होगा।
bench but Greenwood's good right now
ग्रीनवुड्स
Greenwood's
Really
too good bro I rate him so highly man
Yeah,
ये
really
बेचारा
good.
he needs to be starting but he won't get a start
यार यूनाइटेड का मसला उनका मैनेजर है वो
अच्छा ये भी बड़ी बात तूने अच्छी की है बिकॉज इसी लाइक इमेजिन हम ओरिगी हमारे स्क्वाड देखो सिर्फ क्लॉप की तरह हम कह रहे टाइटल चैलेंजर्स चांस है एंड लिवर्जा सेइंग डोंट काउंट देम आउट इमेजिन इफ दिस स्क्वाड हैड अ मैनेजर लाइक कॉन्टे और समवन
Yeah,
वीड बी
right,
सेइंग
man.
यूनाइटेड आर फेवरेट्स
But
दैट्स
then-
ब्रो लिटरली इतना
Bro,
डिफरेंस है
मैं भी अभी तो
इतना difference है।
यही बात पूछने लगा था कि यार इतनी फिट टीम है इनसे डर क्यों नहीं लगता
मैं बताता
That's
हूँ
why.
नहीं वो तो ठीक है मैनेजर की बात गैरी नेविल ने ट्वीट किया था काफी अर्सा पहले कि इफ यूनाइटेड गेट वरान सैंचो
केन
एंड केन देन
Title.
टाइटल विनर टाइटल कंटेंडर्स और अब वो कहता है they've got Varane, Sancho and Ronaldo के
वी वांट अ डीएम
हाँ
we need it. You can't consider us title challengers because we want a DM now. तो भाई पूरी टीम ही स्विच कर दो
Yeah.
लेकिन फिर भी अगर जीत गए तो then how can you praise Oli for this? bro?
इस स्क्वाड के साथ they should be title contenders.
Yeah, dude,
Easy.
look at
अगर
it.
You
अगर
don't have
Oli ना
excuses.
होता ना तो I would have considered
He's
them
got
favorites.
Ronaldo,
You don't have-
Pogba, Rashford, Sancho, Varane, Harry
Fernandes.
Maguire का उन्होंने लिया था और freaking the world record.
Fernandes.
Bruno Fernandes, De Gea in the back.
लेकिन
मतलब
the problem is
Luke
ना
Shaw,
कि
prime form
ये
में.
देखो
Yeah.
and ये मसला है कि is this the
Van
it's
Bissaka
the
भी
balance
बड़ा महंगा लिया.
it's the balance of the squad and the manager and if it was a good manager he would balance the squad that's the difference
Bro, अभी
and this
तक-
guy you expect him to play the same way 4-2-3-1 and weird
हाँ,
new
वही
tactics of
McTominay
not
Fred
four
और Matic में
and
rotate
no,
पांचवा साल हो
and no,
गया
you
और
don't
अभी
have
भी पूछ रहे हैं कि if United can get the best out of Pogba they will be tired like bro
Yeah,
like get
Pogba
the
has
best out
flashes
of
of brilliance लेकिन अब मैनेजर को यूज करना आना चाहिए ना उसे.
yeah I mean
and
whatever
no,
it
but the
is
players
figure
at
it
hand
out
as
bro
well ना ये तो मसला है
फर्स्ट गेम वीक में किसके साथ था यूनाइटेड का मैच? लीड्स के साथ. उसमें
No, but
पॉगबा को
that's-
चेक किया था.
Yeah.
रनिंग द शो.
yeah
क्योंकि उसकी पोजीशन ठीक थी.
No, but that's the thing now. This is what I'm trying to say. कि they have the wrong balance of players
Yeah.
along with the manager as
Exactly.
well. And then ठीक है, you have to have a strong manager to bench certain players in certain games or have that authority कि तुम मान लो कि ठीक है वो नहीं है ना. अब you can't play. I've been telling this for Pogba is not a DM and you can't play Pogba in Bruno's role because that's Bruno's role.
Yeah.
and you have to bet the best out of Pogba to play him either left wide or alongside Bruno. लेकिन वो भी फिर 2 DMs पीछे होने चाहिए. तो अब how can you play? अब देखो ना, how can you play Ronaldo, Rashford and Sancho जो left पे? Sancho by the way likes the left side as well. Like ठीक है उसको भी right पे switch कर देंगे, but he enjoys left more. अब तुम ये किधर वाइड खेलोगे तो फिर तो वो who's defending no Rashford and
yes Fred का जो disaster class था अभी
no but बेचारे bro who's helping him like literally Fred tries his best to defend, he can't defend, but who's helping him bro, who's helping him that match नहीं Pogba था and Pogba couldn't
last match में Matic
नहीं Wolves था, it was Pogba and again Pogba was in the DM role and he had a horrible game.
यही होगा bro.
तो ये मैं कह रहा हूँ कि the whole balance is wrong and also Portugal के साथ तुम लोगों ने देखा था Bruno struggled in a 4-3-3 with Ronaldo and Jota because they take the attacking positions and Bruno is the type of player who thrives off an attacker who isn't fully focused on scoring goals. Because Greenwood suits him, Cavani suits him, and elite movement. And Ronaldo is the type to attack those positions. Like you think Bruno's gonna be running off Ronaldo? Like that's very hard to see. And then you have Rashford doing the same as well, trying to do what Ronaldo wants from the left. तो कितनी like who's मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा कि balance किधर से like Ronaldo scoring goals. Like I think
no,
Ronaldo,
but it's only at the end of the day, it only makes them stronger, right?
No, it doesn't, bro. That's the thing I'm trying to tell you.
Having Ronaldo doesn't make them stronger.
That's what I'm trying to say. Na, कि अब Juventus were strong. Ronaldo outscored, had 30 goals or something.
Yeah.
Ronaldo, I think in this season is going to have 25 plus goals or 20 goals as well. But the impact Ronaldo leaves on the team, fully focused on him. कि यार Ronaldo को set up करो. अच्छा, in the last season क्या था? Pogba had like goals and assists. Bruno had assists. Rashford had chipped in with 10 or something. उधर से Greenwood भी आ गया था. This I feel will be very, and Cavani as well by the way. With this one it'll be full, like Ronaldo will get 20 or something. Bruno will be limited. उसके 10% off the input हो जाएगा. Rashford से 10-15 हटा दो इन सब से. So this is what I'm saying कि does it really improve United? This signing, ये मैं कह रहा हूँ. You know what would have improved the signing? A proper NDD type DM and same Greenwood, trust Greenwood and go with it.
Greenwood
and trust me, these are the underrated type moves which managers like other managers make who don't get under the pressure of media and all this hype कि यार इस तरह के
bro वो एक fairy tale comeback है ना Ronaldo की basically.
And he will have it. He'll enjoy time. He'll enjoy it at United. But the thing, like I said, like 20 plus goals, but it won't affect the team as everyone thinks it will. के वो नहीं होता कि proper title जीत जाएगा. If it does, तो amazing, good on them. लेकिन मुझे नहीं लग रहा. Like in my opinion, ना, I think like it's gonna damage them.
So
I thought
where did you have United in your
fourth? And that's the thing. I'm still having them fourth.
Still having them fourth.
Because that's the impact. Like वो नहीं होता.
Well, transfer window के बाद एक और prediction होनी चाहिए.
चलो we'll save that for another video. So keep watching.
उसके बाद फिर आते हैं मेरी टीम की तरफ जो कि 5-0 और क्या
बताओ यार कुछ क्या सीन है?
सीन ये है कि
मैं जब देखता हूँ ना
बता दो
मैं पहले बताऊंगा फिर मैं पूछूंगा ठीक है. मैं जब आर्सेनल को देखता हूँ ना अभी just this squad and when I look at what they would look like when everyone's back when they have Partey and Lokonga in midfield. Lokonga looks great by the way. Ben White in the back, Gabriel in the back. You know that.
It isn't a bad squad.
That's a good spine. That's a very very good.
Partey हमारे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा important है.
Yeah. So
it is a good squad.
Okay, you have Saka, you have Pepe, Saka's good, will get better. Pepe,
Odegaard,
jury's still out, and Odegaard. So Smith Rowe, some depth, but again a lot of youth. If they can, and given Arsenal's defensive performance at the end of last season, you know, if they can
throughout the last season we had the third best defense.
Pretty good. Then.
Yeah, so if they can get some of that defensive form back and then build something up, and I can see them at least. Jo abhi, this is what I meant by like alarm bells are ringing a bit too soon, for a lot of teams. I feel like Arsenal are better than what we've seen, a lot better than what we've seen in the first 3 games.
Same here. मैं भी exactly agree करता हूँ इस point पे.
मैं जिस point of view से आता हूँ ना, तुम लोग on the pitch और as a squad मैं ज़रा चाहता हूँ depths
like the upper and
उसके अंदर अब Ainsley Maitland-Niles के साथ जो हुआ है चेक किया किसी ने यार. Maitland-Niles wanted to leave Arsenal. ठीक है, Arteta ने last season उसे लोन पे भेजा था West Brom और अभी उसे कहा था कि we don't need you. पूरे ट्रांसफर विंडो will find a solution for you. एवर्टन से ऑफर आई, लास्ट मिनट पर रिजेक्ट कर दी और मेटलैंड नाइल्स गया सीधा इंस्टा के ऊपर और बोले आई जस्ट वांटेड टू लीव एंड प्ले. तो उसे अब आइसोलेट कर दिया आर्टेटा ने, कहते यू आर गोना ट्रेन अलोन। ये सिर्फ मेटलन नाइल्स का है, उसके अलावा ओजिल के साथ जो हुआ था एवरीवन नोस। सो जो आर्टेटा का जो ईगो प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है ना इस वक्त, व्हाट आई फील आर्टेटा और एडू का, और दे हैवंट बीन एबल टू ऑफलोड कोलासिनैच, बेलेरीन अब लोन पे चला गया, एलनेनी, और बहुत ज़्यादा डेडवुड जो है ना वो है। अब लाकाजेट का लास्ट ईयर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट आ गया, रोमा से ऑफर आई, नहीं एक्सेप्ट की। समझ नहीं आती मुझे करना क्या चाह रहे हैं। इफ़ यू गेट अ ऑफर भेज दो। एनकेटिया से एनकेटिया की ऑफर आई, ही डजंट प्ले, ही वोंट प्ले, नहीं भेजा। समझ नहीं आ रही मुझे। उसके अलावा साइनिंग्स जो हैं फ्यूचर के लिए बहुत फिट है। रैम्सडेल एक मैच ही खेला वो वेस्ट ब्रॉम के अगेंस्ट ही था, लेकिन ही लुक्ड गुड प्लेइंग आउट फ्रॉम द बैक। लेनो पे इस चीज़ पे अपग्रेड है, नॉट द शॉट स्टॉपिंग एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट। उसके अलावा अभी ट्रांसफर डेडलाइन डे पे उन्होंने साइन किया है टोमियासु, डिफेंडर। बोलोनिया का मैंने कभी देखा नहीं उसे।
Apparently no, he's
right back and centre back.
He's a good versatile.
और he's 22 years old. Lokonga is young, Ben White is young, और कौन से लिए?
Their core, bro, your core like
Tavares
future
is young.
Odegaard.
They're all
Odegaard
average
is
age
young.
तुम्हारी 23,
हाँ,
24.
we have the youngest average age in the league.
And they all already have players like
हाँ,
Emil Smith
जब
Rowe,
नया-
Odegaard and all
जब
these
नया
players.
लिवरपूल ये क्लब के अंदर भी हमारे ये एवरेजेस बहुत ज्यादा
That's what I'm saying. ये मैं कह रहा हूँ कि like Arsenal का a lot of people you're unlucky. ठीक है, look Brentford का I was hearing this person talk and he said this perfectly, like we expect Arsenal to lose from City and वो क्या कहते हैं चेल्सी, like पहले तो यूरोपियन चैंपियंस है एक, और दूसरे प्रीमियर लीग चैंपियन, like bro even at Anfield I was a bit nervous for the Chelsea
और
game.
ऊपर से
there was
थे भी without 7-8
that's
first team players.
what I was going to get to as well. Secondly ये देखो कि तुम्हारी team what Arteta wants to build and what he's bought, he hasn't been able to play it there. He's been stuck with these players like bro, your main centre back pairing जो है ना should be no what Arteta's mind should be Ben White and Gabriel. ठीक है, he hasn't been allowed to play. Ben White played one game और वो भी and the Brentford game by the way ठीक है it was bad, like Arsenal's performance wasn't good enough, but at the same time you were away, fans were back, it was the perfect it was a storm when you
मैंने उस वक्त भी बोला था Ben White is least of our problems, my problem is Pablo Mari. अभी मैं जा रहा हूँ जो हमने फैंटेसी शुरू की थी और नंबर 1 पे है आबिद खान,
yeah he scored a lot of points,
88 points, और नंबर 3 पे शादमान है। ज़को तुम हो 21st
मैं कैप्टन चूज करना भूल गया था,
21st पे, तारिक 22nd पे, तुम लीग ज्वाइन कर लो।
I don't play fantasy man, I hate fantasy.
I don't like it as well, लेकिन बॉयज को गिव अवे देना तो join तो 24 टोटल वैसे लोगों ने ज्वाइन
काफी
किया।
बड़ी लीग है। अभी मैं आ रहा हूँ कमबैक मार रहा हूँ, मेरी टीम तो काफी फिट है, मुझे तो काफी अच्छी लगी।
तुम्हें ही अच्छी लगी, मैंने खैर देखी नहीं तुम्हारी। एनीवेज नीचे लिंक है उसका, ज्वाइन द फैंटेसी द हडल कप, और जो जीतेगा उसे एक फिट सा गिव अवे मिलेगा। अभी तक हमने डिसाइड नहीं किया क्या है गिव अवे। ऑलराइट, सो डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब, लाइक एंड हिट ऑन द बेल आइकन, #subscribe वगैरह। We'll see you guys next time. Until then.